Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to attach the Lanyard to the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. So with the gimbal, you also get the Lanyard, so you can use it to put it on your hand, and for example if you lose the grip on your gimbal, it falls, it will still be attached to your hand like that. And I'm gonna show you how to install it. So first off, we need to take this small end right here and we need to make it as thin as possible. So just you can twist it around or you can squish it, but just make sure that the end loop right here is as small as you can get it, because sometimes it can be difficult to put it through the holes. And then we are going to take our gimbal and find these two little holes on the bottom right of the gimbal. And then we are just going to push the lanyard strip through the first hole, and then it should come out of the second one. So it might take you a few tries, but once you're done, there we go. It's going to get pushed through like that. And then what we are going to do is open up our lanyard, take the other end of it, and push it through the small end like this. So just do it all the way until it touches itself again like that, and then tighten it, and there we go. Now it's holding on, and you can just put it on your hand. You can take this little clamp right here and just push it towards your hand too, so the lanyard also doesn't fall off your wrist. And there we go. Now your gimbal is safe, and if it falls, it's going to hang on. And that is pretty much it. That's how you install it. So to remove it, it's pretty much the same way, just the other way around. So you just take the strip, you expand it, you loosen it like that, and then you just push the lanyard the other way around. So there we go. And now if you go through the other end, it should get pushed out. Now we can just take it off. So it's that easy. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.